Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows 11 64-bit, enough disk and RAM, and an admin account. Next, run the VS Code installer you downloaded. Choose System Install and add path. This makes code available in the terminal. Install Git and Node.js before continuing, because extensions and projects often need them. Once done, launch VS Code and open the command palette to verify installation. This sets a reliable base, so extensions and workspaces behave predictably. You now configure the editor. Open Settings and edit user settings. JSON for font size, autosave interval, and format on save so your code stays consistent. Install essential extensions such as ESLint, Prettier, GitLens, and Live Server to speed workflows. Then, set the integrated terminal to PowerShell or Windows Terminal. This ensures commands like git and npm run work without path issues. Make sure to reload the window after installs. Extensions initialize and may prompt for workspace trust or additional setup. You finish by opening your project folder, initializing git, adding a gitignore, and running npm or pip to install dependencies. Configure run and debug with a launch. JSON so breakpoints, watch expressions, and tasks behave correctly. Once everything runs, option, set workspace settings to share overrides. If something goes wrong, first check the output and problems panels for errors, then try disabling recently added extensions, restart VS Code, and finally reset user settings. That sequence resolves most environment or extension conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.